So I'm just making a quick video because obviously there's all kind of idiots on YouTube who have multiple different versions of scenarios to fix this problem. And for me, none of those worked, and it's extremely frustrating because I've looked through all the videos and none of their solutions helped me. So I'm going to make it quick. This is a 2004 Acura MDX SUV. I was driving a vehicle one day and I pulled into a store and I turned it off, went to the store, came back out, tried to start it, didn't start at all. There was a weird green light flashing here at the top where that high beam signal is. Every time you turn the car on, that green light is supposed to come on one time and then turn off and then the car start. If it ever turns on and it starts flashing, there's a problem between the key, there's a transponder key, there's a problem between the key communicating with the computer. So a lot of people will say that you have to go under the hood and fuck with this piece. I'm about to show you. So a lot of people will say you have to go under the hood and you have to change this fuse right here. The middle one, the second one. Normally it's a 15 amp. I put a 20 in. But sometimes it's this fuse, sometimes it's not. If you open this fuse box and this fuse is good, and your key indicator light, the transponder light is still flashing, what you want to do is, and nobody else has any video of this anywhere, I do, dingle myself and figure it out, but under the dash, there's a fuse box that's barely visible. You can barely even see it. But right there, those yellow colored or plastic colored caps, you have to pull them open. You can barely see it, but they're fuses. And you have to, there's 3 fuses in there. So there's these weird yellow looking caps right there that you have to pry open. And there's 3 fuses. Just remember this harness as a landmark. You see this harness? Those are attached to that harness. You have to pull those fuses out. If one of those are blown, it'll throw the same code as if that other fuse is blown, and you won't be able to start the vehicle. Because nobody else showed me this ever. And also they said check your main relay, and I got all kind of bullshit about that, and it wasn't even that, and I drove myself crazy trying to figure this out. This is the main relay on this vehicle, and it wasn't the main relay. It was that fuse right there. It's a 7.5 amp was burned out. So I hope this helps somebody, because I know it's sure as hell I didn't have any help when I was trying to fuck with this shit. So, yep, signing off.